Hi, I'm Val Becker with Glover Nursery in West Jordan, Utah. Today we're going to talk about transplanting a hosta plant. This is a hosta. A hosta is a really great garden plant for the shade. It will take almost any kind of soil. It will take several different kinds of moisture levels. It's just an easy to grow plant. Today we're going to move it. The first thing we're going to do is prepare the new hole. You want to make sure your hole is deep enough to handle the plant. Then we're going to dig up our hosta. And a rock. Best time to move a hosta is when they are still dormant in the spring. This one's no longer dormant, which is okay. We can still move it. Take as much of the plant as you can, including most of the roots. And then we're going to put it in the new hole. You don't want to plant the hosta too deep. If you bury too much of the crown, you could damage the plant or possibly kill it. Once the tulip's in the new place, we're going to go ahead and plant it, put the soil back in. Make a little bit of a watering well here because summers are dry. We need to be able to make sure that this plant is going to get sufficient moisture to get established in the new hole. Once you get the hosta planted, then you're going to go ahead and bury it. Like I said, the best time to move a hosta is when it's still dormant, but you can move them anytime. The only thing you want to make sure you do is if you move them after they have broken dormancy, you want to go ahead and cut off the foliage, like that. Again, I'm Val Becker with Glover Nursery, and we've just talked about how to transplant a hosta.